Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Unleashed. In today's episode, we are going to practice real conversation. Let's listen to a fun and natural dialogue between two friends meeting at a cafe. Listen carefully, repeat the phrases, and try to speak with them. Let's listen.
Hi, Liam. Over here.
Hey, Emma. There you are. I'm so happy to see you.
Me too. It's been a long time.
Yeah, almost 2 weeks.
Too long. We should meet more often.
Definitely. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I slept well and had a nice breakfast.
That's great. I didn't sleep much last night.
Oh, no. Why?
I watched a movie until midnight.
Ha! You and your movies.
I know. I love watching movies before bed.
Are you tired now?
A little, but coffee will fix that.
Same here. I need my morning coffee.
Then let's go inside and get some.
Oh, it's busy today.
Yeah, lots of people here. How about that table in the corner?
It's a bit dark there.
True. What about this one by the window?
Perfect. I love the light here. And we can see the street. I like watching people walk by.
Me too. It's fun to guess where they are going.
Yeah. Like that man. Maybe he's going to work. Or maybe he's late for a meeting.
Let's sit here. It's cozy and quiet.
Agreed. I like this spot.
Hello. What can I get you today?
Hi. Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. And for you?
I'd like an iced latte, please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Maybe a slice of chocolate cake.
I'll have a blueberry muffin, please.
Perfect. I'll bring your order soon.
I always order an iced latte.
I know. You never change.
It's my favorite. What about you?
I like trying new things, but cappuccino is my go-to.
I love the smell of coffee shops.
Me too. It feels warm and friendly.
And there is always nice music.
Yeah. It makes me feel relaxed. So, how is everything going?
Pretty good. I started a new hobby,
Oh, what is it?
painting. I take a class every weekend.
That's amazing. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I love it. It helps me relax after work.
I want to try painting too, but I'm not good at art.
Well, you don't have to be good. It's just for fun.
True. Maybe I will try one day.
What about you?
I started jogging in the park
Really? How often do you go?
3 times a week. It's hard, but I feel great after.
Wow, that's impressive. I'm too lazy to run.
Well, I was lazy too at first, but now I enjoy it.
Maybe I should try. It's good for health.
Exactly. We could go together sometime.
That would be fun. But don't run too fast.
Deal. We'll go slowly. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to visit my grandparents.
That's nice. How often do you see them?
About once a month. They live in a small town.
Do you like going there?
Well, yes, it's very peaceful. We eat together and talk a lot.
That sounds lovely.
What about you? Any weekend plans?
I might go to the beach if the weather is nice.
That sounds perfect. Do you like swimming?
I do, but I mostly like walking by the water.
That's relaxing. Do you go alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with my cousin.
Nice. Maybe I'll join you next time.
Sure, we can get ice cream too. Have you read any good books lately?
Yeah, I read a mystery novel last week.
Was it good?
It was exciting. I finished it in 2 days.
Wow, you're a fast reader.
I read every night before bed. It helps me sleep.
I should try that. I usually watch videos before bed.
Well, that's why you can't sleep early.
True. I need to change my habit.